Hello everyone, pleasant greetings. Hope my voice is clear to you everyone. So in today's video, we are going to learn a different grammar topic and another grammar topic. It is parts of speech. So let me share the PPT and then I explain one by one, okay? Hope the screen is visible to you all. Yes, parts of speech. So we need words, right? So words to speak. Yes. So every word has certain English term. So connection of words is called a sentence, isn't it? So words put together and it gives meaning, then it is called a sentence. So in our speech, the parts are very important. So how we feel, which part of our body is important? Every part of our body is important, isn't it? So the same way, if you take uh, speech. So these parts are really important. Only then we can frame sentences. Without this, we cannot frame sentences. Okay. So let's see one by one. How many parts of speech are there? There are 8 parts of speech. How many parts of speech? There are 8 parts of speech. What are they? They are noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, interjection. There are 8 parts of speech. Noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, interjection. So here to remember what it is, so I have given a small poem. A noun names a person, place, or thing. So what do you mean by noun? Noun means naming words. Everything has a name. Every person has a name. Every place has a name, right? So naming words are called nouns. And a verb tells what it is doing. Verb means actions. All action words are called verbs. We do different actions, right? Talking, walking, sleeping, waking up, scolding, swimming, writing, reading. So all these are actions. So action words are called verbs. And then adjective. What do you mean by adjective? Adjective describes the noun, describes the person. That is an adjective. Adverb adds quality to the verb, means adverb tells how actions develop, how actions happens. That's what adverb. I'm going to explain all this in detail. Do not worry about it. I'm just giving you a short definition here. A pronoun takes a noun's place. Instead of nouns, we use the words, right? They are called pronouns. Preposition shows position in space. Position in space in the sense preposition connects two nouns or two phrases. That is prepositions. Means it is a link between two nouns, link between pronouns. That is called preposition. It always places before the noun. It always places before the noun. We use prepositions before the nouns. Okay, I'll explain that in detail. Next, a conjunction joins words together each day. Conjunctions means joining the words, joining the sentences, that is conjunction. Interjection shouts hooray. In the sense what? Exclaiming. So when you exclaim something, we saw the exclamatory sentences, right? So there we have used a few words like wow, oh, alas, right? So what are these words? These words are called interjections because when we explain, when we express our sudden emotions or feelings, we use certain sounds, certain words. They are called interjections. So in our speech, we use only these 8 parts of speech. If we use these 8 parts of speech correctly, then obviously our English will be in a different level. Okay. So let's see. The first one, noun. What do you mean by noun? Noun means naming words. Name of a person. I have a name. You have a name. My name is Kartika. And what is your name? You have a name. Every person has a name, right? So name of a person, and same way every place. Every place has a name. Why? Because to identify, right? Yeah, so for that we have words, we have names. Every person has a name, every place has a name, everything, every object has a name, every animal has a name, and every feeling also has a name. Every idea has a name. So all naming words are called nouns. For example, person, Ram is a name, Ramya, boy, girl, doctor. Ram is a boy, Ramya is a girl. Find common noun. Different types of nouns are there. So here, name of a person, Ram, Ramya, boy, girl, doctor, they are nouns. And place, village, Chennai, school, park. Thing, book, table, pen, pencil, phone, bench. Everything has a name. Animal, dog, tiger, peacock, elephant, right? And feeling happiness, honesty, love, courage. So every person has a name, every place has a name, everything has a name, every animal and bird has a name, every feeling or idea has a name. So naming words are called nouns. And nouns have different types. Today in this video, I'm going to cover only types of noun. What is noun? Noun means naming words. And let's see the different types of nouns. Okay. First one is proper noun. What is proper noun? It names a specific person, place, or thing. For example, Ram, Ram, Ramya. Ram is the name given to a specific boy. Ramya is a name given to a specific girl. Kavin is a name given to a specific boy. So, Kavinya is a name given to a specific girl. So, names, right? So, that is called proper noun. Everything has certain name. Every person has names. So, that is called proper noun. And same way, place. So, for every place, we have given specific names, right? Chennai, Madurai, Coimbatore, JPK school. No, actually, I have given my name to my school. So just school is common, but still JPK school means the particular name, specific name given to is given to that school. Gandhi Park. Okay. So specific person, specific. Just remember the word specific. Proper means specific. And thing, Vivo, phone, actually mobile phone, but still we have given the name for the mobile phone. It is Vivo phone, and it is Oppo phone, it is Samsung, it is Renault pen, it is Apsara pencil, this is Titan watch. Likewise, okay. Raymond glasses. So likewise, so specific name is given to a person or place or thing, that is called proper noun. Hope you all have understood. Okay, so let me know some of the proper nouns in the comment. Okay, and next is common noun. So proper noun means specific name. Okay, common noun is general name for a person, place, or thing. For example, boy. See, boy, Ram is also a boy. Kavin is also a boy. Okay. Raju is also a boy. Ramesh is also a boy. Suresh is also a boy. Right? Yeah. So Ram, Raj, Kavin, these are all proper nouns. And here, boy is the common term, common word given to others. So boy is a common noun. Okay. Same way, girl. Girl is a common noun. Girl may be Ramya. Girl may be Kavinya. Girl may be Sita. Girl may be Sheila. Right. So girl is the common noun, common term given to that particular thing. Okay. Particular person. Next is student. Student, again common noun. Fine. Ram is a student. Ramya is also a student. It is given. Student is for both the genders. Student is common for both the genders. So student is a common noun. And same way teacher. Teacher, he is also a teacher. She is also a teacher. Teacher is a general term we have given for both the genders. That is, teacher is the common noun. And doctor. Again, doctor is the common noun. Understood? So common term is given. And general name. Common in the sense general. General name. Just remember the word general. Next is place. Place, school. Yes, school. ABC school. That is also a school. GK school. That is also a school. Alagappa, that is also your school, right? So school is the common term, common name, general name given to all schools. Okay. Village, village again. Village is a common. City, park, hospital, they are all common nouns. And mobile phone, pen, pencil, watch, common nouns. Hope you understand. Proper noun, specific person, place, or thing. Specific name, that is proper noun. General name is common noun. So next, collective noun. Third one is collective noun. So what do you mean by collective noun? Collective noun is a word that refers to a group of people, animals, or things as a single unit. For example, team, a team of players. A team is the collective noun. Class is the collective noun because a class has 40 students. So class is the collective noun. Team has more than one players, more than 10 players, right? So many players. We call together as one team. So that is team is the common, collective noun. And next is flock of birds. Flock means many birds together. That is flock of birds. That's the collective noun. And committee of members. Committee has 4 to 5 or 13 members, many members in a committee. So together we call it as committee. Fine. And jury of judges. Jury, it is not given here. I haven't given as example, but still jury of judges, in the sense more than one judges. Okay. Some cases only one judge will not be giving the judgment. Many judges, maybe three judges, right, they used to give the judgment. So jury of judges. So jury, that is the collective noun. Clear, everyone? So collective noun means refers to a group of people, group of animals, group of things, that is called collective noun. And next is abstract noun. Abstract. Abstract itself is not clear. The meaning of abstract is not clear. And here abstract noun means it's a name of a quality. For quality, for a feeling, for idea, for state or concept, we give names, right? That is called abstract noun. For a feeling, for example, happiness, it's a feeling. Happiness is a feeling. So happiness is the abstract noun. The word happiness is the abstract noun. Honesty, abstract noun. Kindness, abstract noun. Bravery, abstract noun. Love, abstract noun. Wisdom, abstract noun. Sincerity, abstract noun. Darkness, brightness, sadness. So feelings, idea, state, quality, concept. So we give name for those things. They are called abstract nouns. Next one is concrete noun. Concrete noun names something that can be seen, touched, heard, smelled, or tasted. Okay. Concrete noun means we can see that, we can touch that, we can hear that, we can smell that, or taste. So we give names for those things is called concrete noun. For example, dog. We can see the dog, and if dog barks, we can hear the sound. Okay. And flower, we can see the flower, we can also touch the flower, and we can smell the flower, right? So flower is the concrete noun, dog is the concrete noun. You may ask, ma'am, dog is common noun or proper noun or concrete noun? Yes, of course, it's a common noun. Yeah. Dog, see, if you have pet animals, for example, you have a pet animal, dog as a pet animal, and what do? You give name to the dog, right? Bruno, you give name. So Bruno is the proper noun, but dog is the common noun. Clear? Yes. And same way, flower, yes, it's a common noun. It is common noun as well as it is concrete noun. Okay. And chair, again concrete noun. You can see, you can touch. Fine. An apple, you can taste, you can see, you can touch, you can smell, and you can eat, you can taste. So these are called concrete noun. Fine. Next is countable noun. So it is easy. Countable in the sense the nouns which you will be able to count. See, now you know common thing about nouns, right? Means naming words are called nouns. You know that. Okay. So countable in the sense the nouns can be counted. You will be able to count the things, count the people, count the animal. Okay, likewise. So for example, one book you can count one book, two books, three books, many books you can count. Same way, car you can count, animal you can count, animal, animals, book, books, fish, fish you can count, phone, phones you can count, paper, papers you can count. Understood? So whichever will be counted, that is called countable noun. Next is uncountable noun. Uncountable noun cannot usually be counted individually. For example, water. Can you count water? No, but you can measure water. Supposing if you have water in 3 glasses, you can measure that. You can say 3 glasses of water, 2 liters of water, 3 liters of water. You can measure. When it is in something, you can measure or you can count it. But individually, you cannot count water. One, two, three, you cannot count. One water, two water, we cannot say that. So water is uncountable noun. Okay, oil, same way. All liquid items, uncountable noun. Shampoo, yes, uncountable. Bottle of shampoo, you can say. Sachet of shampoo, you can say. 5 sachet, 6 sachet, you can say that. And bottle, 2 bottles, 3 bottles, you can say that. But individually, the liquid item cannot be counted. One, two, three, you cannot say. So uncountable now. Milk, again. Information. Information you cannot count. Information is singular, information is plural. Information you cannot count. I have given one information, two information, no. Okay. So information, they are all uncountable nouns. Understood? Fine. Next is material noun. Material noun, yes, the substance, names a substance or material from which things are made. For example, table. Table is made up of wood. So wood is the material that we used to make the table, right? So wood is the material noun. The word wood, right? That is called a material noun. And gold, the stud is made of gold. So gold is the material noun. Silver, material noun. Platinum, material noun. Wood, material noun. Iron, material noun. All materials from which we make some other thing. Okay, that is called material. Jute bag, we are saying jute, that is material. Cotton dress, cotton, material. Okay, nylon, again material. Plastic, material. So the names a substance or material which from which things are made, that is called material. Sorry, material noun. Next is compound noun. Compound noun, sorry, made up of two or more words. Two or more words. Toothpaste, toothpaste, two different things. But when we join together, compound means joining. When we join together, we get a noun. That is called compound noun. Okay. Toothpaste, classroom, bus stop, air cooler, air cooler. They are all compound noun. Next is possessive noun. Possessive noun is apostrophe s we used to add. For example, in possessive pronoun we have, so that I will teach later. Possessive noun in the sense shows ownership or possession. It is Ram's bag. It is dog's tail. So here we use apostrophe. Apostrophe s in the sense of. The meaning of apostrophe is of. Okay, tail of the dog, dog's tail. Okay, bag of Ram's bag, his money. That is possessive noun. Okay, so today we have learned types of noun. So what is noun? Just I will give you a quick recap. Noun means naming words, name of a person, name of a place, name of a thing, name of an animal, name of a bird. Yes, naming words are called nouns. And we have different types of nouns: proper noun, common noun, collective noun, abstract noun, concrete noun, countable noun, uncountable noun, compound noun, material noun, possessive noun. Okay, these are the types of nouns. Hope you understand this concept. We will meet in the next video. I will teach the next part of speech in the next video. Okay. Thank you so much. Let me stop sharing. We will meet in the next video with the next grammar topic. Grammar topic is parts of speech. The next part of speech. Noun we have completed. I will focus on pronoun in the next video. If you have any doubts after watching this video, if you have any doubts, you can also post me in the comment section, or else you can ping me on my WhatsApp so that I will clarify the doubts. Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much.